Hey guys, Sachin here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to do Clickbank affiliate marketing with my lead gen secrets. Okay, so this is the video which I'm going to be sharing with you in 2023. So if you have already a my lead gen secret account, and if you're just promoting that my lead gen secrets, there is an alternative way to promote Clickbank affiliate offers, which I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm going to be showing you my proof that I'm getting sales from Clickbank. I'm also going to be sharing with you which are the offers which I'm promoting from Clickbank, and you can basically promote the same offer and eventually maybe you would also get sales with this Clickbank products. Okay, so let's get started. So a lot of people would ask, what is basically my lead gen secrets? I'm going to be covering that up in a second, but let me first show you the proof of Clickbank affiliate sales that I'm getting with this my lead gen secrets. And this is a video which I'm recording on like 29th of Jan 2023. So as of today, yes, I'm getting some sales, not a big amount of sales, but some sales, a decent amount of the return on investment that I'm getting from Clickbank affiliate marketing, which I'm going to be sharing with you. So if you can see over here in the transactions section over here, I have put a transaction ID on each of those affiliate links, and if you can see over here, MLGS, and this is the specific date on which I've got sales from that particular product. And these are the product, the social paid, that is the paid social media jobs offer, and the right apps, which is the right app reviews offer, which is these are the two offers which are converting really well with my lead gen secrets. But I've got another offer which is converting really well. So let me show you another thing. Is when you go to the marketplace over here. So you come to the marketplace and this e-business, e-marketing category on Clickbank. If you can see over here, this is the offer which is called a social paid offer. Get paid to use Facebook. This is converting really well with my lead gen secrets. Another offer is this one, right app reviews, which is converting really well with my lead gen secrets. And if you can see over here, the gravity of this product is like 347, which is absolutely insane. That means 347 affiliates have made at least one sale in the past 2 weeks promoting this particular Clickbank offer. That is the meaning of gravity on Clickbank. Okay, this is absolutely huge. Okay, so it is converting really well with my lead gen secrets. And if you see the gravity of right app reviews, it is also 116. So 116 affiliates have got at least one sale of promoting this offer in the past 2 weeks. Okay, another offer which is converting really well with my lead gen secrets is Click Wealth System. I've got some sales from this offer. With promoting this offer, you can try it out. And now let me show you what is basically my lead gen secret. So here is the members area of my lead gen secret. So over here, this is my area. So basically it is I would say a done for you affiliate marketing system, which is going to allow you to get 200 USA, Canada top tier leads every single day. So if you refer one person, you would get 200 leads every single day. But as an initial person, if you joined today, you would get 100 USA, Canada leads, real-time leads with I can show you over here. If you go to the leads section, you would get the first name, the last name, and if you see the leads today, the leads I've got 200. Okay, so if you click on this browse leads, you will see all the details of the leads which I have got. Also, you would see the IP, the city location, state location, postal code, and all this kind of stuff, the country from which I have got these leads. And these are the partners which basically sends lead to my lead gen secrets. Now you can basically copy it, download it, and put it to your own autoresponder, but I would not recommend it. Instead, you can use these guys' email autoresponder. They have got an inbuilt email autoresponder. So if you see over here, if I select this you would see that I have over 100,000 or almost like 120,000 email leads which I can mail every single day, one email per day. Okay, and this isn't something really great way to start for a complete newbie for in affiliate marketing. All right, so if you can see that clicks are a bit less because it's not easy, my friend, to get a high volume with a single sending server. So there would be a delivery problems when it comes to emailing this many leads. But if you're getting sales, there's no chance of arguing with why I'm not getting so much amount of clicks. Okay, if you're getting sales, that's end of discussion. Okay, so let me explain exactly what is my lead gen secrets. Okay, so the My Lead Gen Secrets is basically a done for you affiliate marketing business program which gets you 100 USA leads per day. All right, and if you refer just one person to My Lead Gen Secrets, they also have an affiliate program over here. So if you can see over here, if you see on affiliates tab, you would come to see that they have also got the affiliate link where you can basically promote My Lead Gen Secrets as an optional income source. And I have made a lot of commissions by promoting My Lead Gen Secrets as well. You can see over here, these are all recurring commissions which I'm getting every single month. All right, all the commissions I'm getting every single month. Okay, so this is not stopping even. All right, so this is what the recurring commissions which you can get by promoting My Lead Gen Secrets itself. So if you refer just one person to My Lead Gen Secrets, instead of 100 leads, they're going to be giving you 200 leads. So in my case, if you can see over here, if you go to home page, top of the 100 leads, I get bonus leads 100. So that means I get 200 leads every single day. Okay, every single day at 9:30 in my Indian Standard Time, I get 100 leads, 200 leads. All right, so the next thing which is, there is an inbuilt email autoresponder which you can send one email every single day. Okay, after every 24 hours, you can send one email every day. You can use your own swipe. They have also got some email swipes available in the affiliate program, and also they have got the first O2 where they would give you, let me show you, where they would actually give you master email swipes, which is a set of 30 email swipes which is congruent, which is really working well for me when it comes to emailing that much big volume of email subscribers. So they have written email swipes for you, so you just need to import it into the system and you can attach the email, your affiliate link. That's it. All right, so these are 30 email swipes which you can get totally done for you. This is the first O2 which is going to be at $27 if you join My Lead Gen Secrets right now and get it instantly after joining the first program. Okay, but if you get it later on, the price would be like I guess $60. So instead of paying $60, if you get it right now, it will cost you just I guess $29. And this is not fake scarcity. This is real time real-time deal or discount which is happening. All right, you can promote any offer with My Lead Gen Secrets. You can promote Clickbank offer, you can promote Warrior Plus offer, you can promote any business opportunity that you want. It's not a compulsion that you have to promote only My Lead Gen Secrets. You can promote any offer. Clickbank's sales I'm getting, so I'm really happy about sharing Clickbank. All right, so the 30-day a month fee for My Lead Gen Secrets. So if you join today, there is a one-time setup fee of $30 plus $30 per month fee to get 200 email subscribers per day. That is 6,000 emails every single month just by referring one person. If you don't refer any person, you would get at least 3,000 leads, fresh leads to your My Lead Gen Secrets account autoresponder, where you can email them any offer that you want. All right, that's it. Now here are the Clickbank offers which are working well, as I just shared with you: paid social media jobs, right app reviews, click well system, and also I have tested this Warrior Plus affiliate offers with my lead gen secrets, and they are also getting me sales, my friend. Okay, I am getting sales with this offer also. All right, let me show you the proof. So here's the offer which I'm recommending to promote with Warrior Plus, and I can show you in my Warrior Plus account. This is my account. You can see over here, search and triple my ID, and you can certainly see a recent sale from promoting Cartel, and I have put a tracking code of MLGS 20th Jan first link. So let me show you how you can basically email this leads through Clickbank offers or Warrior Plus offers. Let me show you Clickbank offers first, because this video is about Clickbank affiliate marketing. In the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you about Warrior Plus affiliate offers. All right. So you have to come onto the mailing system. You have to select all the leads that you want to use to promote Clickbank affiliate offers. So once you click on select, it would be selected. Then come over here, select, put in your subject line, and here you can basically read this information on how to write your email swipe. But if you don't want to get into this hassle, delete this and write your own email swipes, or you can basically go to master email swipes. You can get master email swipe, which is the first OTO at $29 instantly, and you can basically come over here, import, click on import emailing, email one, and it's going to be directly imported into the system. Okay, you don't have to do anything else. You just come over here, select the leads will be selected, come down, the subject line is here, the email swipe copy is here. Then you can go to Clickbank. You can select the offer, click on promote, and then you can basically select your offer. You can put in some tracking ID that is 29th Jan, all right, and click on create hopping. One thing is to remember, don't use any tracking tool over here. The link is ready. Copy directly this link, and here you can basically paste it, delete it, all right. Highlight it, come over here, paste it over here. Okay, and that's it. Email is ready. Now I have already sent out this email, so I will be able to send this email after 20 hours. So there you will see a send button or a preview button over here, where you can basically preview it. It's also a great way to put in some personalization. Okay, search in here your name. If you want to personalize more, you can put in the name of the email subscriber. You can have the name of the email subscribers over here, so it could be a more personalized email. Okay, so this is preview it and send it after 20 hours for me. Okay, you can send one email every 24 hours. Okay, this is absolutely great way to start affiliate marketing, my friend. All right. So that's it. That was my information about how to do Clickbank affiliate marketing with My Lead Gen Secrets. If you're interested in joining My Lead Gen Secrets, there's a link right below this video. You can join it through my link. And also, if you join it through my link, I'm going to be giving you like 30-40 email swipes, which are perfect for social paid off on Clickbank and write-up reviews. These are all done for you with a specific affiliate link also. You can email me, you can message me on Facebook that I have joined through your link on My Lead Gen Secrets, and I'm going to be giving you all these email swipes which are going to be helping you in getting Clickbank sales with My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, so that was it. That's it. See you in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to do Warrior Plus affiliate marketing with My Lead Gen Secrets. So see you in the next video. Till the next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.